6 o'clock EST time. Buenas tardes, people, and welcome to the 9th lesson. Can you imagine that? This is the 9th lesson in the first Spanish Every Other Day course, the alphabet. Today's lesson is just a bit easier than the other ones have been for you. We're going to talk about the difference between hard and soft se and hard and soft he. The difference is relatively easy for us English speakers because it's very similar to the way hard and soft English C and G are. So yes, I know, Spanish is never English, but sometimes it's similar. So let's look at the similarities here. That'll be a little easier on you. We've got some tough consonants coming up. We've got B, B, H, which is okay, and of course the dreaded R and R. That's the last. We will do them. Hold on. Let's just take it easy this time and have some fun with the dictionary. No, I'm sorry. No tongue twisters this time. Sorry. Maybe next time. We'll see. Okay. So what are the rules? Let's talk about the similarity between hard and soft se and he and hard and soft C and G. So remember I after E except after C. So let's use I and E as our markers. Of course, in Spanish they are E and A or A and E in order. So here's a little chart. A and E are the soft vowels, and A, O, and U are the hard vowels. So if you have a word that has the letter order CE or CI, then it's softly. It's a S sound, as in centavo, not centavo, centavo. Cicatriz. Now here you have a combination. You have C, soft, Ca, which is hard. So remember, A and E, I and E, E and E are soft sounds. So you have an S sound. Cicatriz. All right? Cereza, not careza. Cereza. Cintura. Cintura, S, the S sound. And if the order is he or he, then it's a he sound, such as general. Now, this is one of our false friends that gets us into trouble. We're looking at that first word and we say, oh, general. General, that's all I have to say in Spanish. No. He. So it's a he sound, general, and you have to hear the air go out. General, general, not general, general. Let's go to the next one. Gitano, gitano, generoso, not generoso, generoso, girasol. So it's that's the sound you want for a soft he sound. Whereas, now let's go to the hard way to say these letters in combination with these hard vowels. CA and CO and CU, you'll need the English K sound. So cantar, not santar. It's cantar. Why? Because it's C-A, not C-I, not C-E. Cantar. Coco, not soso. Coco. Culebra. So, cantar, coco, culebra. By the way, are you still working on your alphabet? One of those 5-minute sessions should be the alphabet. Doesn't have to be all of them, but please keep up your alphabet and keep up your vowels. Especially take video apps of yourself doing the vowels so that you can see whether or not this is changing. A, E, I, O, U. If it's a video app, nobody can see, but please practice. If the letter order, going back to the se and the he, if the letter order is he-a or he-o or he-u, then you need a hard G sound, such as gato, not jato, gato, gorila, gusano. Sorry about that capital he. It should be a small he, unless that's your name. Gusano. Gu, not who. Gusano. All right, now, what if the se or the he combinations do not come at the beginning? Just as we saw with cicatriz. We had first a soft C, and then we had a ka sound for the second syllable. So just because it starts off soft doesn't mean it has to stay soft through the entire word. So it's the same rule. E and I, soft sounds. A, O, and U, hard sounds. So let's do it in the same word. We're going to do 4 words with se and 4 with he. Actually, it's only 1 with he. So, oops, excuse me. Cocina. So you have co, hard sound, but you have si, soft sound. Cocina, not coquina and not socina. Capaces. So you have ca, pa, not kes, but ses. Why? Because the se is followed by e, and in another sense, another word, it would be I. That guarantees a soft se sound. Conocido. Cono, co, why? Followed by an O. Sido. Why? Followed by an E. So yes, you can have hard and soft sounds in the same word, just like English. Circular. Circular. Cir, soft sound. Cu, hard sound. Now there's only one he sound that I found. Gigante. I mean, there's only one combination he sound that I found. Gigante. Gigante. So let's just pile on the words that I did find that either have a hard K or they have a soft K. We have vigilancia. Vigilancia, not vigilancia. Another false friend of ours that looks like the English word, so we're thinking, oh, this is an easy word to say because it looks like the English word. No, 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 no. Vigilancia. Legislar. Now that looks like legislate, so we're going to think, oh, legislar. No. Legislar. Soft he. Why? Because it's followed by an E. Correct. I knew you'd know it. Origina. Not origina. Origina. Another false friend. But why is it soft? Because the he is followed by an E. Urgencia. Here we go again. We're going to think, oh, urgencia. No, no, no. Urgencia. Why? Because the he is followed by an E. Correct. I knew you knew. Urgencia. And that would go for urgente also. Agente. Not agente. Agente. Why? Because the he is followed by an E. and that makes the he soft. All right? Emergencia, not emergencia. Emergencia. Why? Because the he is followed by an e, so a soft sound. So how'd you do? You get them all right? You can try again. Just go back over the video again. And then do your 5-minute practice session 6 to 8 times before the next lesson. All right? Please, again, I cannot stress enough, obey the timer. And let me know how this is working for you, please. You have my email address. You can write me at the Facebook page. Let me know how it's going. I would like to know if this is working for you. Okay? So, here's your homework. Until the next class, let's use the dictionary. Barron's is good. I also like the University of Chicago. If I haven't mentioned it before, and I have mentioned it before, but the University of Chicago one is an excellent one to use. But we're going to just use the dictionary. And remember, they're 5-minute sessions, so you can read the dictionary for 5 minutes and obey the timer, and I'm sure you will want to obey the timer. But use the dictionary. We're just saying the words. We're not worried about the definition right now. And we're not going to go over 5 minutes a session. So you find the list, you find the words list, find the list of words in the dictionary that begin with se, 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 o, se, u, and ha, e, he, a, he, e, he, o, he, u. All right? Find those. And this is how I'd like you to work it. We're talking about 5-minute sessions of practice, timed. So let's dedicate 50 seconds to each letter group. For instance, let's say you've taken this class and it's 6:30 or so, and let's say just before you go to bed you want to get a practice session in. So what do? All right, you get out your timer. Okay, let's get out your timer. All right, just should have had it ready. I'm sorry, I should have had it ready already. Okay, so here's the timer. Now you can go to the stopwatch, but you can also go to the timer so that the timer goes off. So I'm going to go to the timer, set the hours for 0, set the minutes for 0, set the seconds for 50. Okay, so that's what we've got, right? All right, so take the dictionary. Let's go to se a to start off with. Now, you don't have to start with the first page. You can start with the second page. But if you do all your sessions, you might want to start with the first page. And you might want to mark where you stop. You can now, if you want to, yes, you can repeat the same words again, but it would also open your vocabulary up a bit if you read consecutively for each session. For instance, here we go, 50 seconds. All right, so I've got my book open to say. I'm going to start just reading se a, all the se a words for 50 seconds. Okay, so I've got the timer on. Start the timer, 50 seconds. Okay, so here we go. Yep, there we go. So you can see it. So here I go. Cabalgar, cabalgata, caballería, caballero, caballerosidad, caballo, cabaña, Now here, I'm messing up, so I'll take my time and let me do it. Let me do it over. Cabecear. It doesn't matter if you mess up. That's the whole thing. It doesn't matter if you mess up. Cabecera. Cabecilla. Cabello. Caber. 50 seconds. Stop. Okay, 50 seconds gone. Said it again. 50 seconds, all the say words. 50 seconds, the say words. 50 seconds, the say o words. 50 seconds, the say u words. Obey the timer. Obey the timer. And once again, I say, obey the timer. All right, so we have the say words done. 50 seconds for he a. What you're doing is simply reading. But you're reading random words, yes. But what you're concentrating on, what we want to get out of this exercise is simply that you're looking and you're seeing say a, okay. It's ka, 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 ka. That's what we want. And then it's se, 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 se. And that's what we want. Then si, 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 si. Se, ko, 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 ku, 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 ku. And you're reading words. You can take your time reading the words. It's not the point of the exercise isn't to squeeze as many words in as possible in 50 seconds. It's simply to read for 50 seconds and get your ears and eyes working together. You're seeing se a and you say, okay, that's ka. You see se e, oh, all right, that's se, etc. So that's your exercise for the next 6 to 8 5-minute sessions. Work on hard and soft se and hard and soft he. All right, so you stick to that timer. Don't go over. Please do not go over. We want repeated practice sessions. And I've shown you what I mean. You've got it? Any questions? Let's go back. 50 seconds, se a, 50 seconds, se e, 50 seconds, si, se i, 50 seconds, se o, 50 seconds, se u. Then the next 5-minute session, 50 seconds, excuse me, not the next 50. Now I'm getting mixed up. Yes, the next 5-minute session, he a, he I, excuse me, he a, he e, he I, he o, he u. All right? Next time it's de, not day. And that's going to be a little bit difficult at the end of words. Okay, but we'll tackle it. See you Sunday. Adios.